So I've been heading north into town from Laposa South, where we checked in, and we're coming up here to the entering QUARTZSITE proper, and the QUARTZSITE sign that so many people like to. You might want to pull over and take your picture in front of the QUARTZSITE sign there. We have Laposa West to your left here, and the driveway to the right is Laposa North. And that means the north means it's north of Laposa South, not north of town. These two areas are still south of town. And as I mentioned in the previous video, that Laposa South is where you can get fresh water and a dump station, if you have an LTVA pass. Left is where the big tent's going to be in January, and Tyson's Wells is, I'd make a left here, and that's where all the kind of flea market tents are, with everything you can imagine for sale. There's a few, I'm looking down there now, and there's a few tents, not that many, just a few, but that'll steadily increase as time goes by. It's still before Thanksgiving here. So we keep going on 95. You go the overpass over Interstate 10, and we're going to get into the very heart of beautiful downtown QUARTZSITE. And this video, we're going to the laundry. There's more than one option in town for laundry, that's for sure, but we're going to the one I like, and it is, you take a right at the light here, and I will show you my favorite laundry. This laundry not only has laundry facilities, but it also has showers and a pretty good restaurant. I had a really good breakfast burrito there last week. And up here on the left is the Roadrunner Market. And the other market, the other grocery store, is called the Coyote Market. So we have the Roadrunner and the Coyote, and it's not a coincidence. I'll explain more about that later. Here is the Laundromat, and we make a right into here. And I will take you inside, and I'll show you what it's like, what it looks like. It does have signs everywhere. Do not take your dog in here. No pets are allowed. I'm sure they've had some bad experiences. So here we go in the entrance. No pets allowed, and the name of the restaurant is Basics. So here we go. And there you have the restrooms and showers, and it's $10, and they are strict about the 20-minute limit. And when the restaurant's open, it's through that door down there. So I found out that the restaurant I was raving about has changed. The owners have done a different kind of eating establishment called Basics, and here's the interview with the owner on what Basics is all about. So we're here at the new facility at the Laundromat, the new restaurant, and it's called Basics. And you are,
I'm Michelle.
Hi, Michelle. Hi. So can you tell me what the story is for the new?
Yeah, so we started out in 2009 with the hot dog stand.
Mm-hmm.
And from that hot dog stand, we served biscuits and gravy. And we did that for a year, and while we were doing that, we built a restaurant over our hot dog stand, which became the Main Street Eatery. And so we served out of the Main Street Eatery for 12 years and had a pretty successful business with really happy customers. Mm-hmm. But due to some health issues and just being totally exhausted after 14-hour days, 7 days a week, we decided to shut down the eatery last spring in 2022. This summer we decided that maybe that wasn't the totally best thing to do, since we have laundromat patrons who really need some services here. So we decided to open a little coffee shop and jumped in with the full-blown espresso machine blender to do the specialty coffees and the coffee companions, and thought while I'm standing here selling coffee, maybe we should go back to the basics. Maybe we need to do our hot dogs and biscuits and gravy again. So the Main Street Eatery has gone back to the basics, and we call ourselves Basics now, and that's exactly what we do.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll take a look at the board here. Biscuits and gravy, hot dogs, Polish sausage, cold sandwiches. What kind of sandwiches do you have?
So I have turkey cranberry cream cheese. I do a chicken salad. On Fridays we do an egg salad, and on occasion we have ham. And then we do soups on cold days. I'm not committed to it. I just, when I feel like it, I will do a chicken gnocchi or beef barley, and we'll post it on QUARTZSITE Area Eats, which is a Facebook site where you can see what the restaurants are featuring.
Okay, well, I think I'm going to order a hot dog.
Okay.
How's that? Okay, thank you. Okay, so here is the hot dog that I bought, $6, and it's all beef. It's she described where she gets the hot dogs and how wonderful they are, and I will tell you in a second. I'll take a bite. Oh yeah, that's a damn good hot dog. Okay, so if all you want is come for the hot dogs, it's going to be worth it, and I bet everything else here is equally as good. They own the whole thing, the Basics restaurant here, and also the Laundromat. So it's a great business. Come down and check it out.